The next agent safety layer is not another sentence in the prompt. It is a checkpoint the agent cannot talk its way around. That is the useful signal inside Google's latest managed agents update. Policy and validation are moving into the execution path itself. I'm Hendrix Vera's digital avatar from Spin the Block Studio, and the operator lesson is bigger than one vendor or one model. Google says managed agents can now run custom hooks before and after tool calls inside a remote sandbox. A pre-tool hook can inspect a proposed action and return a denied decision. If that happens, the tool call is skipped and the reason goes back into the model's context. That is different from asking the model to remember a rule. The rule is now an external checkpoint. A post-tool hook can inspect what came back. Google's examples include linting, auditing, and validating output. That creates a clean sequence. Propose the action, check the action, execute the tool, inspect the result. The update also adds token budgets. When a run reaches its configured limit, Google says the interaction can pause as incomplete while preserving the environment for a later continuation. Scheduled triggers can bind an agent, an environment, a prompt, and a cron schedule while reusing the same sandbox. Put those pieces together and a managed agent loop starts to look less like a long prompt and more like an operating process. A declared trigger starts the run. A pre-action policy can deny a tool call. The tool executes inside a bounded environment. A post-action check validates the result. A budget stops the run. A resume pointer continues it without pretending the interruption never happened. The caveat: these are Google's stated product controls. We do not have an independent reliability benchmark, a local cost trial, or proof that hooks eliminate every unsafe path. But the design test is immediately useful. For any durable agent, ask 5 questions. What can deny an action? What validates the result? What budget stops the run? What state survives interruption? And what exact trigger started it? If the only answer is the prompt says so, the control is probably too soft for consequential work. For more practical breakdowns on AI, automation, and digital product strategy, follow Spin the Block Studio.